Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to fix this issue PS5 error code CE-109752-4. Can't perform that operation. The connected USB drive is being used as USB external storage. So what I'm doing is I'm just trying to copy this images or videos. So options and then copy to USB drive and copy, and I will be getting this error. So I'm going to fix that issue. Why we are getting this error means we are using as USB external storage. So what you need to do is, in order to copy that, right, you need to insert the pen drive. My USB drive added as USB external storage. That's why I'm not able to copy. Example, if I want to format, right, so format as exFAT. So before you do this, right, just take backup of your data from this pen drive. Okay, super cool. So pen drive is already inserted. So we need not to do any format as USB external storage. Now I can copy, going to console storage and going to media gallery. And here I'm going to copy this video, pressing options button and copy to USB drive. Copy, super cool. The issue is fixed. So I'm going to give cancel and I'm going to do for image as well. Media type, screenshots. I'm selecting it. Right click, copy to USB drive, copy. I'm going to copy small videos, copy to USB drive, copy. Super cool. You can find your media under USB PS5. So I'm going to, once our USB drive is inserted, right, also you can see this content, USB and PS5, there is a folder, automatically it is created. Screenshots, whatever we copied, right, that is copied successfully. Also video clips, media gallery, go to USB, PS5 and create, go to video clips. Don't knock twice. Yes, video is there. So I'm able to play. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to me from. Thank you. Bye and take care.